Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Kristen. Today we're going to practice our letter names and our letter sounds. Do you remember that each letter has its own name and each letter makes its own sound? So we're going to look at some of the letters that the friends have at the beginning, at the front of their first name. So I'm going to show you a polar bear. It will have a letter on it. We'll talk about the letter name. We'll talk about the letter sound. And then we'll think, I wonder which friend's name starts with that letter. All right, here's our first letter. This is letter J. J is the letter's name. Letter J says J, J, J. Which friend has J, J sound at the beginning of their name? J. Jackson starts with J, starts with the J sound. Let's see which one is next. Oh, here's letter P. This is how you make P in sign language. Letter P. Letter P has a sound that it makes. It says P, P, P. You have to put your lips together. P, P. We have a friend that we see on the computer. Her name is Peyton. Peyton's name starts with letter P, and I hear the P, P sound at the beginning, at the front of her name. P, Peyton. Oh, here's another letter. This is letter N. Good job. N says N, N. Whose name starts with the N, N sound? It's a girl. Nora. Good job. Nora's name starts with letter N. N. It starts with the N, N sound. My tongue was being silly. Here's another letter. We have two friends who start with letter A. A has two sounds that it can make. It sounds different in both of these names. The first sound that it makes is A. A can say A, like Elena. And A can say like Anthony. Good job. Here's A. Here's letter S. S is the name. And then S has a sound. S gets to say S. Good job. We have a friend whose name starts with S. It's a girl. Her name is Selena. At the beginning of Selena's name, I hear S. Selena. Good job. All right, here's another letter. This is letter E. Whose name starts with letter E? And E is a tricky one. It has two sounds. It can say E, like its name, or it can say let's see. We have a friend. It's a boy. Enrique's name starts with E. Enrique. Good job. We have a few more. Two more. All right. This is letter R. Here's R in sign language. It's like the color red. We go like this for red. This means R. So R has a special sound. R can say R, R. We have a friend. It's a girl. What is her name? R, R. Good job. Reagan starts with R. Starts with the R sound. Good job. Here's our last polar bear today. This letter's name is L. Good job. L has a special sound that it makes. L says la, la, la. Do you see Miss Kristen's tongue when I do la? I have to bite down on it a little bit. I put it by my teeth. La. We have a friend whose name starts with la, la. It's a boy. His name is Leonard. Do you hear la, la at the beginning of Leonard? La, Leonard. Good job. All right, thank you for helping me practice. We will keep practicing the letters. We have to practice their names. They all have a name. There's a lot of letters. There's 26 letters. We have to practice the letter names. And we have to practice the sounds that the letters make. It's called letter sounds. Nice job. Thank you for helping me today. Have a good day. Bye.